Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews and unboxings. Today I'll be reviewing this translator. I've always wanted to try one of these, you know, for when you travel, you kind of speak to it and then you like hear the other person. I've seen them around like online and stuff, but I don't know if it actually works. So I'm super excited to try it and check it out. Also, I will be going to Mexico in a few days, so I'm gonna try this there and see if it actually works. Ooh, super cool. Oh, it's bigger than I expected. It's almost like a TV remote control or like an old phone. Oh, it's super cool, chic design, a super intensive manual. It's like quite thick. So the very first instruction that it gives is, it says, before using the smart translator for the first time, please fully charge it. I like when things come fully charged, but I get it if it's not. So we're gonna have to pause the video, come back another day once it's fully charged. All right, so I'll see you in like a few hours or a few minutes according to this video. All right, so it's been an hour, but let's just try and see if it works. You know, something I didn't even mention was how cool the whole packaging looks. I mean, it looks like an iPhone or something. Kudos on the product design and I mean implementation and all that stuff. All right, so it is currently still plugged in, but we're just gonna go ahead and turn it on the on button. Oh, okay, so it is 60% charged right now. Voice translation, photo translation. Oh, you can take a photo of a sign and have it translated. That's amazing. Offline translation and recording as well. Okay, so lots of different options. So one interesting tip that it says is the translator actually does not support secondary authentication Wi-Fi, meaning like Wi-Fi in airports or public Wi-Fi. So if you have like a mobile hotspot or internet Wi-Fi, it's preferred. That's just the tip that they have over there. So take note of that before you travel. So it says, go to settings. If you swipe over, that's where the settings is at. So let's click on settings and then we're gonna connect the Wi-Fi. All right, so the Wi-Fi is connected as you can see over here, and it will display that little icon to, you know, if it's connected. Next, we have to do basically which languages you're translating to. So we're going to click on photo translation, and then on the top over here, we're going to click from what to what. That, which will then display all these different ones. So we're going to select, we're gonna select Chinese to English. All right, next we're going to click on the voice translator. So basically, we say something and then it translates it back. Okay, press and hold green button to speak a language, and then the translator will automatically translate into B language instantaneously. Okay, it's from Chinese to English, so let me say something first. 我是台湾长大的，你呢?
I grew up in Taiwan. How about you?
Okay, so that's literally what I just said in Chinese, because literally I grew up in Taiwan, therefore that's why I speak Mandarin, and it understood it correctly. So super cool. In the same way, press the B language button and speak B language. Okay, so then I'm gonna press the blue button now and I'm gonna speak English back to this person. I grew up in Taiwan as well. How cool is that?
我也在这个台湾长大。 那有多酷?
So yeah, they're definitely not up on like slang or anything, but it's still like the basic concept definitely gets translated. And I love that it's set, like it speaks it, but then it also writes it as well.
我也在这个台湾长大。那有多酷?
So you can press it again and then it will say it again. So, so cool! All right, next, let's try the photo translation. All right, so I just bought these leek potato pancakes that are Korean style. And all the instructions are in Korean. So, well, this is what I need. So basically, luckily, got a handy dandy translator. We're gonna go ahead and use the photo translation. Take a photo of just the instructions that we need right here. Go ahead and scan. And we'll know now how to cook it. So we gotta cook it in a frozen state over medium heat, use oil, and use cooking oil sparingly. Okay, simple enough. All right, great. So that's how you use the photo version of the translator. All right, so referencing to what I was talking about earlier, actually download the offline translation packet so you don't have to worry about Wi-Fi. So this is an incredible feature. There are 16 offline translation languages that you can download prior to going wherever you're going. Settings, and then we're gonna scroll down to offline package management. And then we're gonna go ahead and download Spanish. And it says basically how much the package size is. We're gonna click OK. Oh, you wanna make sure to restart the device after 100% download. We will be doing that. And basically how you restart it is there's like the button over here, the on button. You press it for down for 3 seconds and then release, and then just turn it on. You press it down once again for 3 seconds. Now it's important to know that they do recommend connecting to a network because the offline translation is actually only used for simple words. So if you wanted to say something more complicated, definitely connect to Wi-Fi. Now they have another feature, which is the recording translation feature, but this only supports 4 languages, which is Chinese Simplified, Chinese Traditional, Cantonese, and English. For example, if you're like at like a conference or something and it's in Chinese, you could record it up to an hour and then you can basically translate it. Or if you're like, if someone's talking, you can like record them to see what they're saying or something like that. All right, and the final thing I would say that's important to know is that it uses a polymer battery. Yeah, no, those can definitely be on the plane. I was just thinking battery and I was like, I don't think it can go on a plane. But anyways, it could be 3 to 4 hours normal operation and about 48 to 72 hours in standby time without charging for 3 to 4 hours. And then to charge it, it takes 2 to 3 hours to charge. So that's in general how to use this translator. And you know what? Let me do one final test. This is the final test to see if this thing works. So we are going to voice translation. We're gonna switch from Spanish to English.
Eres una mujer muy hermosa.
You are a very beautiful woman.
It works. We need one more compliment, like a really good one. I have to say thank you. Hold on.
Okay.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Okay, are you ready?
Ajá.
Okay.
Tú eres muy trabajadora e inteligente.
You are very hardworking and intelligent.
Okay, very good. Gracias. So as you can see, it works in all languages. I didn't know that it would work so well. I really like the feature that you can take a photo, like for example, of a menu or something, and it translates that for you. That is just phenomenal. But highly, highly recommend this device. Totally works, totally worth it to have like better travel experiences. If you want to purchase it, check out the link below and let me know in the comments what you think about this device. Would you buy it? Would you not? Why or why not? Let me know what you think. And if you like product unboxings and unopenings, I do a lot of those. So please make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.